How to turn on professional mode on Facebook. First of all, go ahead and open up the Facebook application on your phone. As you can see, you are now in the Facebook homepage where you can view pages and friends' posts. On this page, go to your profile at the top. Here, tap on the three dots beside Edit Profile. Scroll down and tap on Turn on Professional Mode. When you turn on professional mode, you can get paid for your content, see content insights, grow your audience and much more. Tap on Turn on again to confirm. You have now successfully turned on professional mode. Keep tapping on Next till you reach the default audience page. Here, you can choose your default audience. For example, public. Tap on Next again. And then, tap on Confirm after reviewing your selection. Once you're ready to start using professional mode, tap on Go to Professional Dashboard. Over here, you can view your progress such as your challenges and achievements. Following these steps, you can easily turn on professional mode on Facebook.